You're doing good, sweetie. Keep going. Hey guys, before I even start the vlog or before you even see the rest of this vlog, PSA, there's gonna be a lot of ass. Yeah, ass. And I might blur some of their asses or like stuff because YouTube is getting stricter and I don't want to get demonetized. So, and I want to save my YouTube account. But yeah, enjoy. And this video is everywhere, so I'm sorry. Oh my baby, oh my baby. Yes, good morning. Oh my god. Hey guys, today is Thursday. I'm really hyped because it's May. It's my birth month, bitches. So it's May. Anyway, for today's video I will be throwing this away. Half of this is like expired makeup and half of this one is a, like, if you guys can see right there, half of this is like for donation. So yes, it's like I said, I was like literally decluttering or like trying to organize my makeup last night when I got off from work because it was just like, it's just a whole mess. So anyway, half of this makeup will be like giving to my friends and half of this will just, you know, expired, and I'm gonna throw it away because I don't want them to use expired makeup. So yes, this makeup right here I will be throwing away. Anyways, but in a good side, our plan was supposed to be going to the gym early, but I forgot that Viola, she got a dance class because she's like choreographer at DC, and she slept like around 4 something a.m. so I don't want her to get tired and exhausted. So we're just gonna go and hike today, and tomorrow I'm going to the gym. But anyway, yeah, let's just go because I'm gonna stop at Starbucks to get some croissant, and also yeah, I did make this coffee for me. This is just a cold brew coffee with almond milk, no sugars, and I'm trying to stay away from sugar, but like I'm getting croissant, so don't judge me. Like, okay. Anyways, I didn't wear foundation today, just a Too Faced concealer, powder, Laura Mercier, and lip tint from Vice Cosmetics, Kiondi, and then Anastasia Brow Wiz, and then bronzer is from Physicians Formula that I'm probably gonna give to Viola because it's old. And yeah, that's it. I didn't put highlight on, but anyway, let's go. Look how nice outside. It's very nice. Anyway, which car are we using today? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna use mine, of course, my baby right there. And you guys, I think I got sick from like last week because of pollen. I don't know if you guys can, you guys know what pollen is, but hold on. Hey guys, I lied. I put some highlighter on because it's kind of just like flat. So anyways, oh my goodness, it's 86 degrees. It's very hot, which is good. Yeah, but still very hot. Anyway, let's go. I'm headed now because it's almost 11. It's 11:21 now, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later when I'm with Viola. You ready? Yeah, so half of this stuff is like I'm gonna throw away if you don't like it, and just ooh. Oh my fucking god,
I want this one for sure.
Yeah. Oh, there's another bronzer. That one is really good.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, but some of this like liquids I don't want you to use because this is expired, so I'm gonna throw them away. So these are all the makeup that I'm gonna throw, and I'm gonna give this to
where's the other one?
Yeah, that's, yeah, because you don't like blushes, right?
Alexandra.
Yeah.
A few inches later.
Guys, this one is tired already.
Yeah.
Not even like 2 minutes of walking. This bitch is
like
tired.
Hours.
Sure. Yeah, okay, sure.
How do I connect this?
Give me your, just connect to Bluetooth, go to Bluetooth, and I think this one is like, we're here guys, finally. After 48 years. There's the Solomon's Bridge and my 2 bitches right there.
Lobster bitch.
And what are you?
Me, I'm a ghost bitch.
Yeah.
I shine in the light. I rain like a diamond bitch.
Okay.
Shine, bitch.
Alright. Okay.
Okay, shut up.
Shut up already. We've been walking for how many, like 4 or 5 minutes? Yeah, she's gonna take a dip. So we're here. I mean, we're here. We're done.
We're good.
Good.
Hey. Hey.
Just living her best life. Are you ready? We're at Chipotle. Eat. Food. We're here.
Hello, we're here. Rita's ice cream. So cute. But get ice cream. Doggo. That's a cute dog.
Me, I'm a cute.
You're a cute dog. Ooh. Ooh.
Okay guys, so they have a lot of flavors. They have wild berries.
Wild berry.
Mango, but I'm gonna do a cheesecake. I think she's
Ooh, there we go.
that. Okay, this is cheesecake.
Vlogging. You like it?
It's so good.
A few moments later.
Back at it again. We're going back to the beach. And this is my vlog. You guys are in a vlog right now. Say hi.
Don't.
She's struggling right there. And
Summer. Okay, I keep saying that. Alright, here's Summer, Emily, and Leah. Aww. And my baby mama right there trying to ignore me and shit. Hey guys, we're back here at the beach with my babies.
Day 2.
Okay, I have goodies right here for sale.
how do I zoom?
This will cost. Yeah.
One for free.
Another one right there.
Ooh.
This one. What if you?
How did I zoom out? Ah. I'm gonna be red. I like it.
You have your time, honey?
That was so close.
You're doing good, sweetie. Keep going. You're Kris Jenner. Come on. What? I bet you little sister wanna.
I bet your little brother wanna fuck on me.
You're doing good, sweetie. You're doing good job,
I like when they
sweetie.
do like the thing when they shake but they're going down. So they just do like.